Hi there, Sacha Liddiard here, and in this video I want to talk about the traffic that you get on Amazon and give you a few top tips. And if you've missed any of my top tips on Amazon previously or eBay, then do go to my channel. You'll see all the different playlists here, and you can always subscribe to my channel so you're not going to miss out on anything in the future. Now, I sell on Amazon in both the UK and the US, and also on eBay in the US and the UK. Now, I mainly focus on Amazon because, as you can see, this is where you get so much traffic. This item here, 49,000, over 49,000 page views, all free, don't pay for any of it. I've sold 1,178 items. I've only had the buy box 38% of the time, often competing with Amazon. Now, what you've got to be mindful of is you don't get carried away with all this free traffic coming your way, because you don't want to run out of stock. Because you really, if once you get the buy box, you could be selling literally every minute. You could be getting sales coming through, so it can be just like turning the tap on. So especially if you're then selling abroad, because I also sell in the US, so you can see some of the items here and some of the traffic on some of these items. So you look here, look, 44,475 views on this particular item. I've sold 158 of them. So you've got to be mindful that you're not running out of stock. So you're going to need a good tracker in place. And when you're just starting out, just be careful about the amount of items you actually put up for sale for a particular product. Just to begin with, when you're testing that product out, 3 or 5 is absolutely plenty. So you don't run out, have the issue of running out of stock. And if it's happening abroad, when you're selling in the US and it's happening overnight and you're asleep, you just need to be aware of that. Now, I'm now outsourcing my business, so that is no longer an issue for me. So I can therefore afford to increase the quantity. So hopefully that helps you with selling on Amazon. It's a great place to sell. It's got fantastic free traffic, but you just need to make sure you don't get too excited by it, and then run into trouble with running out of stock. So hopefully that helps, and I will speak to you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.